CloudWatch Dashboards provide a powerful way to visualize your AWS metrics. In this lesson, we'll explore how to create custom monitoring dashboards that give you complete visibility into your cloud infrastructure. CloudWatch Dashboards are customizable home pages within the CloudWatch console that allow you to monitor your resources and applications in a single, unified view. They enable you to create custom views of metrics and alarms, monitor resources across multiple AWS regions simultaneously, and visualize real-time data with automatic refresh capabilities. This centralized approach makes it easy to track the health and performance of your entire infrastructure from one location. CloudWatch offers several core widget types to visualize your data effectively. Line graphs display how metrics change over time, making it easy to identify trends. Number widgets show single metric values as large, prominent displays for quick reference. Stacked area charts visualize cumulative metrics across multiple sources, helping you understand total resource usage. Bar and pie charts let you compare metrics across different resources using categorical views. Beyond basic visualizations, CloudWatch provides specialized widgets for advanced monitoring needs. Alarm status widgets let you monitor the state of your alarms and receive alert notifications directly on your dashboard. Logs Insights widgets enable you to query and visualize log data using custom queries. Text widgets allow you to add Markdown formatted documentation and notes for context. Custom widgets provide the flexibility to create HTML-based interactive visualizations tailored to your specific requirements. Creating a CloudWatch dashboard follows a straightforward 5-step process. First, open the CloudWatch console and navigate to the Dashboard section. Second, click the Create Dashboard button and provide a unique name for your dashboard. Third, choose the widget type that best suits your visualization needs from the available options. Fourth, select your data source and configure which metrics you want to display. Finally, save the dashboard to persist your configuration for future use. There are multiple methods to add widgets to your dashboards. The console method uses the AWS Management Console, allowing you to visually add and configure widgets through an intuitive user interface. The CLI method uses AWS command line interface commands with JSON configuration files to programmatically create widgets. CloudFormation lets you define your dashboard infrastructure as code using templates, enabling automated deployment and version control. The API method allows you to integrate dashboard creation directly into your custom applications using the CloudWatch API. Following best practices ensures your dashboards remain effective and actionable. Focus on critical metrics by displaying only essential key performance indicators to avoid information overload. Organize dashboards by purpose, creating separate dashboards for different teams or applications to maintain clarity. Set appropriate time ranges that match your monitoring needs and metric patterns, whether that's real-time monitoring or historical analysis. Always include alarm widgets alongside your metrics for immediate visibility when issues arise, combining monitoring and alerting in one place. Let's recap the key points about CloudWatch dashboards. Dashboards provide centralized visualization of metrics and alarms, giving you a single pane of glass for monitoring. Multiple widget types support different visualization needs, from simple numbers to complex graphs. Dashboards can be created through console, CLI, API, or CloudFormation, giving you flexibility in how you manage your infrastructure. Finally, best practices include focusing on critical metrics and organizing dashboards by purpose to maximize their effectiveness. With these tools and techniques, you're ready to build powerful monitoring dashboards for your AWS environment.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.